Hi, I'm Mads Jespersen from FlowHow. FlowHow is the company selling Moldex3D in the Nordic region mainly, and doing training and supporting the software. We also have a consultancy business where we help people develop plastic parts, mainly injection molding parts. Okay, in this video I want to show you how to use the history plot up here in Moldex3D Studio Release 17, and I've made a project with some runs inside, and what I then will do is I will look at the possibilities of how to make some plots. The first thing could be a history plot of the injection pressure. I go to history here, and then I can choose which run I want results from, and I can say filling, packing, cooling, but in this case I just want the sprue pressure. Over with that, and I get a graph. I can also say, okay, I want to compare it to run 3, sprue pressure over there, and say close. I can move the part around. When I move the cursor, I have a quite annoying info box following, but I can put that into info box here, for example, and here. So it takes the value on these places up here. If I want to get rid of those, I can do it like this. And I have the possibilities up here to adjust the things. X axis, Y axis, font, legend, which things do you want to see? Display, show model, show tracker. Then I don't have any tracker running around. The normal thing I do is maybe go in here and put say okay there, hit a box, and then I use the Windows clipboard, or I use this screenshot up here and take a screenshot of it. Okay. Let's get rid of that one. I just closed it in the corner. Then I will show you some other thing. Let's just go to 3. Packing, temperature. Now I want to use probes to show you, to get the history through the cycle. If I have a temperature distribution here, you can see it's a bit hotter inside. Let's just close the code runner and the boundary like this. Then it adjusts the scale over here, and it's easier to see some differences. When I'm in results, I have the possibilities to do a clipping. Let's say I would look at the temperature inside the wall thickness here and compare it with the temperature here. So what I will do then is go to results, still have clipping open, and I'll put in a probe. I'll disable this mesh, so I'll put it in there, zoom out again, and say, okay, let's have a look at the probe here. That's it. 2 probes, and if you're in doubt which number they have, you can go into name here, 12 and 13. Just get rid of that again. So now in the packing, I have some intermediate results. If I click here, you can see all the results here. At that, then I have the packing conditions, or all results at these time steps. To get these time steps, you have to go in. I'll just get rid of that. You have to go in home, computation here, under the packing. That's where you define how many time steps you want. And now it's possible for me to do a XY curve again, or a history curve. And instead of molding properties here, I want all probes and 12 and 13, these two, not melt front time, I want temperature, for example. Like that. Close. And then we can see the development of temperature throughout the whole cycle. So it makes a curve, and the resolution of the curve you can see here, it's split up in small lines. It's the resolution of that is based on the intermediate results between start of packing to end of packing. It's very useful to be able to use probes in that way. You could also port them from your CAD system as IGS file, and then import them here in Moldex and give them attributes as probes, so you're 100% sure that the location of the probes are in the correct position. Okay, a quick overview of some of the history plots features. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.